Hello stock stalkers, welcome back to the channel. Weekend have already started. Last trading session of the day, we have closed at 3,327. Market have closed in red, but trust me guys, this candle is still bullish. Previous resistance, as we know, was right here at 3,275 to 3,280 level. Market have already broken this resistance. The major resistance was around 3,300. Market broke this resistance as well. As I had mentioned earlier, important resistance and support zones are tested most of the time. Today we saw a correction. Market came down to retest the same level again. We saw good buying pressure right into the support zone. Buyers pushed the price to the upside. Market index went up as well. So where are we going from here? We can see market have taken a jump from the support. Most likely we can see a continuation from here. As I mentioned in my previous video, next resistance is around 3,350 to 3,355 zone. But in case if market wants to come back for a retest, this will act as support. We can then see a double bottom kind of pattern, and then market may break the resistance again to go further up. Let's analyze the weekly chart and see how the market is looking on a bigger time frame. Right here, this is the weekly chart. Let us draw our resistance zones again. We know that this was the resistance zone. Also at the same time, let me highlight an important price action. This is the place where market was previously resisting, and market have spent more than a month here. This is the level that market was trading in for more than a month. Market broke the resistance. Right here we can see resistance is now broken, and after this market came back for a retest, and now market is ready to fly up. So this chart pattern is looking very bullish. Also, if you look at the chart pattern, this is ascending triangle pattern. We can see a breakout to the upside. More upside is expected. Usually a typical target of this triangle pattern is the depth of this size to the upside. Let me plot it for you right here. This is the depth right here, and this is the resistance zone. So I plot the same level to the upside after the breakout. So what I can see is market can travel somewhere around here, that is 3,570. I had already mentioned in my previous video, we are looking at 3,500 levels very soon. Now at the same time, do not expect it to just shoot up. It will go slow and steadily after correction phases. So overall, market is looking very bullish guys. It's good time to invest in Dubai stock market for positional and swing trades as well. That's it guys for now. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.